Hello, the Queen of Animation is back, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make squishy packages. And there's two ways, I think, yeah. But the second way, I'm not going to be able to show you because my brother's got the stapler and I don't know where it is, and it requires a stapler. And yeah, so let's just get on with the video. So this is the first way. It is my banana bread. Okay, this is not working. Let me just adjust the camera. Oh, that's better. So we have banana bread made with love, and the back is really ugly because it's just scribbles, really. And I'm really stupid because I did it the wrong way. And so when I do that, it's just upside and you have to flip it over. So what you have to do is you have to do like that and then do that, which is so annoying. And inside just my banana bread. Yeah, and I'm going to be showing you how to make that. My other one, I've made two, is this one, and made with love, and it's much neater, as you can see. And there's a little tortoise, turtle, I think. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the first way. For the first way, you're going to need pencils. This is not my pencil case. It's actually my brother's old one from primary school, and we just decided that we would use it for the spare pencils we have lurking around in the house. We also need scissors. We need your squishy and paper, and you're supposed to have a ruler, but I don't really have a ruler right now, so I'm gonna have to use my stand. Okay, so first of all, what you need is you need to draw a line on how big your squishy is. So I'm using this squishy, and I'm just gonna take it out. And so this is like about here, so it's like about that, and she's slightly going to make it bigger so it can fit in properly. And yeah, okay, so I'm just going to do that, and be right back.